Hi guys, so I just did my groceries for the week. I went to Walmart, but I did grocery pickup. I've been loving that. I've done it a few times already, and I went to Aldi, so let me show you what I got. So I got some toilet paper. I got this frozen pizza. It's pretty good, the Walmart brand. I got garlic bread. I got vanilla Coke, which is usually a summer drink for me, but I was in the mood for it. I got pasta sauce. This is 88 cents and it tastes so good. I got pumpkin because I'm going to be making pumpkin pie. I got Velveeta cheese, butter, mayo, peach Snapple, tostones, which it's funny, I just started buying them frozen. It's so convenient, but I wish I could find plantains here, but I just don't find them that much. French toast sticks. I bought these last week for the first time ever, and they're so good. I made them in the air fryer. We got baby carrots, shredded lettuce for sandwiches. I got this bag of mixed vegetables for my daughter because I figured it'd probably be easy for her to kind of grab them and eat them on her own. I got broccoli, jalapeno chips, very comparable to the Lay's brand, and eggs. And then for the Aldi portion, I got mini chocolate chips. I got this bread for hoagies. It's so good and soft. I've had it before. I got their reduced sodium sprouted bread again. This stuff is so good. Very comparable to Ezekiel bread. And these new bagels that they have for the season, they're called Harvest. They have seeds and cranberries in them, and they smell really good. I got some Italian style meatballs, raw meatballs. I got drumsticks, corn, and they had these cookies. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but I'm gonna assume that they taste like speculoos, like cookie butter, so I hope they do. I'm really excited. I got bacon, tilapia, oatmeal pies, grapes, milk. I got some baked barbecue chips. First time seeing baked chips at Aldi. Potatoes, and then I got some bananas, sazon, because, you know, can't live without that, and an avocado. So that was pretty much all I got. This is an overview. I spent $43 at Walmart, and then I spent $40 at Aldi. Also at Walmart, they gave me this bag full of samples. I think this bag is so cute with the candy corn. This is the second time they give me a bag. The first one was like football themed, and it's like full of samples. So let's see what we got this time. Some grocery pickup info. I know here they have like products that they carry in Walmart, and then you can literally add them to your cart just like that on the Walmart grocery app. Oh, how cute is this? A little grocery list with a magnet. That's what I'm talking about. I love lists. Oh, this is cool. Chips Ahoy, Duncan Hines. These are like those microwave cakes. Yep. So you add water to it and then put it in the microwave and it just bakes up like a cake. We got a Butterfinger, some Quaker rice cakes. Yep, cheddar. Unstoppables. That's cool. I don't really buy this, so. Tide Pod. I do buy these. Oreo chocolate candy. I haven't tried this. That's exciting. That brand is so good. Milka. And how cute is this? Oh my gosh. Little mini candy corn bag. I already bought my bag for the season. So that was it for this week's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.